Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to select objects in Affinity Designer. Whether you're working with text, images, or shapes, knowing how to efficiently select elements is fundamental to your design workflow. Let's jump right into it. First things first, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you can either open an existing file or create a new one to work with. This gives you the canvas you need to practice selecting different objects. Now take a look at the left sidebar of your workspace. This is where all your primary tools live. You'll need to click on the Move button. This tool is essential because it allows you to interact with and manipulate objects on your canvas. The Move tool is your main way of selecting and repositioning elements in Affinity Designer. With the Move tool activated, simply click on any object you want to select, whether it's an image or text. As soon as you click on it, you'll notice the object becomes highlighted with selection handles around it. These handles indicate that the object is now active and ready for editing. Here's something important to pay attention to. In the right panel, look at the Layer section. You'll see that the object you just clicked is now highlighted in the Layers list. This visual confirmation in the Layers panel is incredibly useful because it helps you understand exactly which element you're working with, especially when dealing with complex designs that have multiple overlapping objects. Now, what if you need to select multiple objects at once? Affinity Designer makes this simple. To select all objects on your canvas, simply click and drag to make a square that highlights all the objects you want to include. This selection method is perfect when you need to move or transform multiple elements together as a group. And that's it. You've now learned the essential techniques for selecting objects in Affinity Designer, from individual items to multiple selections. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.